Hey everybody! In this video I've got a little treat for you. We're going to take the regular happy birthday and we're going to take it to church and gospelify it. My name is Christine and here at the Gospel Method we want to make sure that you have all the tools you need to play your favorite church songs or birthday songs on the piano. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to head over to the website thegospelmethod.com and get your free handout for today, as well as many other handouts from previous lessons. And be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any free tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. We've got Happy Birthday in the key of F. This is the regular version, and like I said, we're going to churchify it. But when we're done, it's going to sound something like this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And we've got a bridge and a vamp. So we're going to have some fun with this one. But before we get into all of that, let's make sure that we know our regular chords and our regular rhythm, and then I'm going to show you how to add in those puzzle pieces, that's what we call them here on this channel, little things that we stick together one by one to create a bigger, fancier sounding pattern. Okay, so we're in the key of F, we're in F root position. I'll put some links down below if you're not familiar with F. We have a full, I think it's 6 weeks of 1-hour lessons about the key of F, so I'll put that down. But we're in F root position, so happy birthday to you, down to the C. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, up to B flat, and then B diminished, looks like that. Happy birthday to you, and then B flat over C, like that. And then our bridge, we're playing this slash, which is going to be B diminished, which we'll see why in a minute, but just pretend that's not there. We're gonna happy birthday, and it's gonna go back and forth, okay? And then for our vamp, we've got F, B flat, B diminished, F, and it's just gonna keep looping as well. So we'll talk about some of those rhythms once we get down, but just make sure you're familiar with all of those chords. Now, when we go down to our church edition, we have got some colors in here, as you can see. All right, and we've got blue, orange, and yellow. Now, what these mean, yellow, I'll just make a little chart for you guys over here. Yellow is a walk up. Okay, orange in our tutorials is a walk down, and blue is a loop. Okay? Now, for walk-ups and walk-downs, we have a rule. No matter what key we are in or where we are going, you're going to start with the note. So we'll use this F as an example over here. So we have an F. We are going to skip a note. Okay, skip one note. So we are not going to play F sharp. We're going up. We are not going to play F sharp. And then after that, we play every other note up until we get to the one we're going. So we go G, G sharp, A, and then we end up on B flat right here. So you can see we're going from F to B flat. So when we're playing our walk up, we're going to go F. We're not playing F sharp, G, G sharp, A. All right? So I'm going to write that in here. So we have F, G, G sharp, and A. Okay, so I'm filling in the left hand notes above here, okay? And then we have C here going to F. So we have C, we skip the first note, and we go to D, E flat, and E. So we're gonna go C, D, E flat, and E. I'm just gonna make that a little smaller so it'll fit. There we go. And let's see if we have any other walk-ups. Okay, we have one down there, so we're just gonna copy paste this one. Can I do that? No. All right, C, D, E flat, and E down here as well on going to F. Okay, so you can see those. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Now all of these are going to be subdivided. So again, if you're not super familiar with subdivisions, I'll put a link down below. There's a full 1-hour lesson on it. But what it means is our left hand will play 2 sounds every time our right hand plays 1 sound. So on this example up here, we have 2 slashes. So our right hand's going 1, 2, and our left hand's going 1 and 2 and. Okay? So that's why there's 4 notes there. Now, let's go in and add our walk down. Same rule for the walk downs. We're just going to the left instead. Start with our note, which is F. Skip the first note, which is E. And then play every other one on the way down. There we go. Okay, so skip E, going down. So we've got that. And then this is another same one, F going down. So F, E flat, D, and D flat. Okay, I'll try to spread these out so you can see pretty good. So now we have this. Happy birthday to you. You can see how it's little puzzles. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. So you can see we're getting somewhere, okay? Now, the last thing that's going to connect our puzzle together, right now we have all these pieces kind of floating, the blue is going to connect them all together so that there's no spaces. And I call these loops. And all you have to do for a loop, so I'll put this here, loop, is start with your note, go down 3 half steps, and then play every note going up. So for example, if we have an F, find your F, go down 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3, that's our next note, so F, D, and then play every single note on your way back to F. Okay, so F, D, E flat, E. There's 4 notes, and it creates 1 loop. So this would happen every 2 beats. So F, D, E flat, E. Make sure I got that right. Okay. So you can see that would fit on these 2 blue right here. So happy birthday, happy birthday, and then I'm on my walk down. Okay, so we'll add those in. So C loop would be C, A, B flat, and B, and I have 3 beats here, so I gotta do another one. Actually, I gotta start, so I'll go C, A, make another loop, and then I'll finish it over here, B flat and B. And then I have another 2 beats here, C, A, B flat, and B. Okay, so you can see how those 4 notes go on 2 beats. Okay, so that would be happy birthday, walk down, 2, and then here's our C loop. You, happy birthday, and then up, 2. All right, and then you get the idea. So we'll add in our loop here. So we've got F, D, E flat, and E, and then there's 1 more beat, so I need to keep going. F, D, finish it over here, E flat, E, and then I have 2 more beats over here, F, D, E flat, and E. Okay? And so they're all gonna snap together like that. And then we've got all these filled out. Okay, now let's just look down here. We do have a couple walk-ups we'll add in. So F, G, A flat, and A. F, G, A flat, and A. F, G, A flat, and A. All right, and so let's try that with both hands together. Don't worry about jumping to the bridge and the vamp and all that. We'll talk through the pieces, and then we'll talk about how to kind of slide between them and make it sound like an actual church choir song. Okay, here we go. So really slow. Right hand is playing slashes and capitals. Left hand are playing single notes that are in blue. Okay? Happy birthday, down to you. Back to the blue. Happy birthday, up to blue. You. Happy birthday, up. Happy birthday, diminished. Happy birthday, down, day, up to you. And then we'll take a look at our bridge. We just have walk up, B flat, C. Walk up, B flat over C. Okay? And then for our vamp, again, we're just ignoring that first slash for now. We're starting with the F. Vamp, walk up, B flat, B diminished. Walk up, B flat, and then we are just going to keep looping that. So just B diminished and keep going. Okay, but we'll talk about that. So make sure you have all those pieces. Again, this is one of those things that logically is going to make sense. In practicality, it's going to take a lot of tedious practice getting used to each piece. So I would start, if this is new to you, start with the orange and the yellow first. Get super comfortable with those before you even try to add the blue ones in. Because the blue ones are going to make you really need to focus on proper fingering, because then you end up with like all your fingers mushed together. Okay? So try that. Now, to put them together, the bridge is actually just this part right here. Okay? So we're just going to take this happy birthday like this around. And we're just going to repeat that when we get there. So happy birthday. Here's the ending. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. You keep looping it to you, and then you'd finish the line. Okay, so down here, when you want to do the bridge, you're playing along in your chorus. Do, 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 do. You get to the B diminished, and you're like, never mind, I want to do the bridge. Jump to your bridge. Play this a million times, as many as you want. And then when you're done, so you keep looping here, happy birthday, when you're ready, to you. And then when you get to you would jump back to your you here, and then you can go back to the beginning or whatever. So all together, that's going to sound like this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Here we go. Happy birthday, bridge. Happy birthday, bridge. Happy birthday, out to you. So this extra slash, you can see why I kind of ignored it, because really we're landing on birthday. Happy birthday. And we're just kind of holding that B flat over C. So you could count 1, 2, and then repeat it. Happy birthday, 1, 2. Birthday, 1, 2, right? So you can kind of ignore that one because you're just holding the C until you get back to birthday. Happy birthday, hold. Happy birthday, hold. Okay? So that's the bridge. Now the vamp you could do at the end. Like after you finish the chorus, happy birthday to you. And then, pretend you've got a little choir. It's your birthday, it's your birthday, it's your birthday, it's your birthday, right? That's what those brackets are. That would be like your echo. And so this one would go, it's your again, birthday's the strong one. It's your birthday, it's your birthday. Okay, you're on the B flat chord. And then this is how to get into it. Once you get into it, stay here on the bottom line. Okay, so this is to get you into it so you can feel, you don't have a weird chord here. But then you're just going to keep looping this over and over. So to get in, it's your birthday, it's your birthday. Here we go. That's your B diminished. It's your birthday, it's your B flat, B diminished, birthday. It's your birthday, it's your and you can see how it just keeps looping. It's your birthday. And then when you want to get out of it, it's your birthday. And then get them not to echo, and just jump back up. Okay? So let's try that. We're finishing the chorus. Happy birthday to you. Vamp. It's your birthday, 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 happy, right? So actually they could echo as long as you're ready to go. It's your birthday, happy happy, there's where that little slash, happy birth, and you could jump right back in there. Okay, so let's try that in time. So I'll start here on the third line. Happy, where are we here? Birthday to birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. We're ending. Happy birthday. Oops, sorry. Birthday to you, Vamp. It's your birthday. 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 Happy birthday. And then you're back up. Sorry, I'm trying to scroll at the same time. Happy birthday to you. All right, so that's the whole thing together. And to make it even more fun, you could go on YouTube. They have shout tracks where it's got right with the drum, and you could play that with that. And that's a really fun way to make Happy Birthday sound a little bit churchy. This was actually inspired by somebody had put it on Facebook. A church had actually done this. And I saw it, and I showed one of my classes, and I said, we have to figure this out. It was so fun. So that's where this handout came from. I didn't make this up. Someone else had done it in church, and then we just figured it out by ear what they were doing and tried our best. So hopefully you get a kick out of that. It's a lot of fun, and have some fun with it. If you would like more information about playing gospel music, or you want a step-by-step program to take you through the next level, we do have a premium membership you should definitely check out. We have a 7-day free trial happening right now, so you can go in and get access to everything and check it out. It's got lots of intermediate things like this, more like this. This one's more, a little trickier than the stuff we usually have on this channel, but there's tons of stuff in there, like 7th chords, 9th chords, how to play 2-5-1s, what are chord substitutions, how to play shout, Nashville Number System, in depth. So lots of things to take you from that beginner level into sounding more like a real player. Like a lot of people, you text me and you're like, I feel like I sound like a beginner. So if you want to go to that next step, definitely check out that membership program, 7-day free trial. You get access to all those tutorials as well. We have a library of handouts in all 12 keys. So songs that you might be really familiar with, like Amazing Grace, Every Praise. Instead of having it in just one key, I have this exact same one in all 12 keys. So you can practice playing your different scales. And you also get access to a Zoom class once a month with myself. That's if you have any questions about the membership site or any of the lessons or anything that you're playing on your own. So, if you need to play in front of people and there's a certain song they want you to play and you're not sure of a certain chord or a rhythm or how to make it a little fancier, you can jump in on that Zoom call, bring your stuff, show me your playing, ask questions, and that's there for you as well. So, I hope you enjoyed that fancy happy birthday. If you haven't done so, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and definitely go check out that 7-day free trial of our premium membership right now while that's available. Well, have a great night, everybody. We'll see you for the next one. Bye!